Good morning, dear students. Glad to see you in our online school. Today is the 20th of April and let's start our lesson. At your last lesson, your teachers told you how to use future tenses. So I want to continue this topic and I will tell you how to speak about the future without using future tenses. During our lesson, we will revise tenses that you have already known: present simple, present continuous, to be, going to. And then we will learn different expressions to express degrees of probability and certainty about the future. Like to be plus to infinitive, be due to, be on the verge of, be sure bound to, and to be likely to. Let's start with simple present. We use simple present, or sometimes it is called timetable present, when we speak about a fixed date or a scheduled time when something happens. For example, the meeting starts at 8 o'clock. We use it for timetables, programs, movies. What time does the film start? We also use this tense when we speak about the arrival and the departure of transport. The train leaves London at 12:15 and arrives in Brighton at 1:45. We use this tense when we speak about people's plans if they're fixed, like in a timetable. My new job starts on Monday. Verbs that are often used for future scheduled events can be arrive, be, begin, close, depart, start, and finish, fly, leave, open, and of course many different verbs. Then let's speak about using of present continuous tense. We use present continuous for definite plans and fixed arrangements in the future. These are Ben's plans for the next week. He is playing football on Monday evening. He is having lunch with his friend on Tuesday. So he has already arranged these events and he has made an appointment. We used to be going to when we speak about intentions and general plans. It shows that a decision about the future has already been made. I'm going to get my degree, then get a well-paid job. So it's your plan, your decision. My friend wants to see the town. I'm going to show her around. It's your plan. You have decided to do it. We use we used to be going to when we speak about prediction based on present evidence. Look at this wall. It looks as if it's going to fall down. Let's compare going to and present continuous with future time marker. I'm going to show you around the town. So it's your plan. I'm showing you around the town this afternoon. You have made an appointment and arranged the meeting. She's going to study art. It's your plan. She's studying art at college next year. So she has passed the exams and has enrolled the college. They're going to meet again soon. It's their plan. They're meeting at 10 o'clock tomorrow, so it's obvious that they have arranged the meeting. Now, let's make very easy exercise to check your grammar. Choose the right answer, please. Have you booked an appointment with your dentist? I'm sure that you have chosen a letter B. Yes, I'm seeing him tomorrow morning. Because you have arranged the meeting. Probably you have called your dentist and asked him about the meeting. What are your plans for this summer? It's definite that the answer is A. I am going to redecorate my house. It's your intention. What are you doing this evening? It's better to choose I'm having dinner with Jane because she knows about this meeting. Is the light broken? Yes. What letter? B. The electrician is coming tomorrow to fix it. You called him and asked him to come. The next exercise is open the brackets, please. Write, please, the right form. The first answer is our train leaves as you see, its timetable. The next answer is what are you going to wear? Because it's your plan. Hurry up, the conference begins its timetable. I'm meeting an old friend this week. You have arranged this meeting. You have called your friend and asked him to meet with you. Look at these big clouds. It is going to rain. It's prediction based on evidence. Now let's discuss expressions for different degrees of probability or certainty about the future. The first one is be plus to infinitive. It is used to express official arrangements. The Prime Minister is to visit India next month. Official orders. At the end of the course, all students are to take a written exam. Things that should be done. What am I to do? A possible aim when saying what should be done to reach it. If you are to work here for more than 3 months, you must have a residence permit. And the last one is prohibition. And pay attention only in the negative. You are not to do that again. Now the expression be due to is used to express scheduled or timetabled events in the future. The meeting is due to start at 8 o'clock, but we'd like to get there a bit earlier. Be on the verge of. We use be on the verge of or on the brink of or on the point of, to say something will happen in the immediate future. Pay attention that we use verb with ending ing in this expression. The new player is on the verge of signing for Arsenal. Scientists are on the brink of making major advances in the fight against AIDS. She is on the point of bursting into tears. Pay attention that we use to be on the brink of when we speak about very important events. The next expression is be sure, bound to. We use be sure bound plus full infinitive to talk about a future event we are confident will happen. He is sure to be late because he is always late. She is bound to win. It's obvious because she's so much better at tennis than her friend. It's bound to rain tomorrow. Yes, it always does when we have a picnic. And be likely plus to infinitive. Be likely plus to infinitive or full infinitive. And we may use it is likely that clause are used for future events which are probably going to happen. They are more likely to ask you for some identification before you can go in. It is likely that he will win the race. Now let's write some exercises. The first one is rewrite the sentences using the words in brackets. I'm sure he will face some tough questions from reporters. Rewrite the sentence using the word bound. I don't think they will have sold out of tickets yet. So the word unlikely is here. I expect she'll be given a warm reception when she arrives. Please use the word likely. They will sign a new 5-year contract in the next few days. Which is here. And the last one, the 50-story building will be demolished later today. So about. I think you are ready. Please check your answers. He is bound to face some tough questions from reporters. I think they are unlikely to have sold out of tickets. Pay attention that you should write, I think they are unlikely, because you can't use two negative forms in one sentence. The third one, I think she is likely to be given a warm reception when she arrives. The fourth one, they are on the verge of signing a new 5-year contract. And the last one, the 50-story building is about to be demolished. The next exercise is look at these phrases and grade them by order of certainty. Won't happen, from won't happen to will happen. Let's check the answers. So it's bound to happen. Letter, yes, letter C, because it certainly happened. It's very likely to happen. Letter B, and it's highly unlikely to happen. Letter A. And our last exercise to summarize the future forms is matching. Match the future form and the uses. Right, please. Okay, let's check up your answers. The first one, schedules and timetables. Letter K, because we use present simple when we speak about timetables. Fixed arrangements. Letter J. I am giving a talk at a citizen science conference. It's obvious that if you are allowed to give a talk at a conference, it is arranged. And we use present continuous when we speak about fixed arrangements. General plans and intentions. It's letter H. I am going to do a degree in zoology. So you use the expression to be going to. Predictions based on what we can already see. It's letter D. I've learned a lot and that's going to help me when I go to university. I think you agree that if you learn a lot, it will help you when you enroll the university. Factual predictions is letter E. It will use the latest technology to discover even more secrets of the universe. Then decisions at the time of speaking. So it's letter G. When I heard about this project, I said, I'll do that. The next one is something that will happen soon. Letter C. A new phase of this project is due to start soon. A probable future outcome is letter B. Citizen science is growing in popularity and that is likely to continue. And the last one, the future in the past. I thought I was just going to get extra people to help me with my work. So we have studied different ways of expressing future tenses, and I hope that you will do our home task that you will see after the project. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.